David, Jeremy, Jomar Reyes. And also the bridesmaids are leaving out soon. Ayan, nagsabay-sabay na po sila ng pasok. Nawala na po. Also, we have Sheila, Ikaw, Jacqueline, Bakay, Jarvin Mark Reyes, Kathleen Joyce Villegas, Joaquin Espacio, and Chanel Joy Abad, Kenneth Norman Villegas, and James Kelly, Robina. Oh, come on, Patadaga, yeah! The Marco Bearer, Ivan Gilmore, Sean Hendricks Abad, Cedric Joaquin Icao, and the little girl that showed the flower doing the wedding rice, the young princess, Mary Ronette, Samantha Iris, Julia, and Eleanor, the flower girl. Once again, palapakan natin, the entourage. Alright? Giveaway. Lagyan natin ng konting daan yung gitna. And this time, ano ba yun? Pumasok agad. Di ko naman tinatawag pa yung pangalan. Na-excite po sila. Ayun naman, hinabol ko naman. Anyways, this time, everybody, again, kung kanina po nakaupo kayo, ngayon po, may I request everybody to please stand up. Yung kaya lang pong tumayo, yung hindi na po makakatayo, galaw-galaw po. Baka kayo ma-stroke naman. Sige po, magsitayo tayo lahat. And kanina, pinapalakpak ko kayo. This time, since nakatayo po tayo lahat, if you feel like dancing, you can dance. Alright? Are you ready to clap your hands? And at the same time, dance. Alright, if you are ready, everybody, music please. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, the little couple. This time, this is Joey and Willie Reyes. Wait. Willie, where is Joey? Sandali ha? Diyan ka lang ha? Diyan ka lang. Excuse me. Give way, ma. Bakit wala si Joey? Ha? Bakit wala? Sandali. Baka nakalimutan niya may celebration pa, no? Na traffic. Anyways, titignan ko baka tapos na mag-CR. Sige na. Sige, pasukin mo. Hindi, ako na. Wala nga si Joey. Bakit hindi mo sinay kung nasa likod mo? Diyan ka lang. Iniiwan mo kasi. Hintay natin mag... Palakpa kayo dyan, ibig sabihin. Ladies and gentlemen. Listen to this.
Ay, nako. Ayan, kasi...
Palakpak ulit!
Hindi kasi kumaganda ng lalaki. O ano na pala, no? Hindi mo na. Kaya po ako sa inyo, makinig ka lang kayo sa sasabihin ko. Umalit ka ng pangit at ibigin mong tunay. Yan ang dapat mong gawin. Kaya makinig ka lang kayo sa sasabihin.
Ladies and gentlemen, the good himself, Mr. Joey Reyes!
Always need you.
Queenie. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. You may now go back to your respective tables. Thank you very much sa inyong pakikisama. Joey and Queenie, come over here, right in front. Palapakan natin once again, Mr. and Mrs. Joey and Queenie Reyes. Dito kayo sa harap. Dito, wag ang muna.